update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened flat today and traded in a sideways manner throughout the day, ending the day on a negative note, down 19 points. The market breadth was negative with 604 advances to 921 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, Reliance, ITC, Maruti, HUL, HDFC Bank were some of the losers in trade today. On the flip side, the IT pack, that is Infosys, TCS, HCL Tech, and from the auto pack, M&M and Tata Motors were some of the gainers in trade today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty for the whole day consolidated in a sideways manner above that 40-day exponential moving average, which is placed at 7934. In the coming trading sessions, we expect the fall in Nifty to continue on the downside. Now we will open for trading only on Tuesday next week, so there could be some amount of volatile action on Tuesday. A gap down or a gap up cannot be ruled out. On the upside, the swing high of 8031 shall act as crucial resistance. On the downside, 7934, which is the 40-day exponential moving average, shall act as a crucial support on the downside. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that the Nifty traded around in a sideways manner for most part of the day. Around that 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, the Bollinger Bands have also contracted. Now post a contraction, we generally get an expansion of the Bollinger Bands, and now we need to analyze or observe the market action in terms of where it takes the Nifty. If it trades along the hourly lower Bollinger Band, then we should expect the selling pressure to intensify on the downside. On the downside also, 7934, which is very close to today's close, is also crucial. So Tuesday's trading session might just be a trend deciding day for the markets. The hourly momentum indicator has a negative crossover. We maintain our negative stance on Nifty. We expect lower levels in Nifty 7934, which is the 40-day exponential moving average. Once that is reached, then 7841, which is the previous swing low, and below that 7620 is our short-term target. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty, we can observe that Bank Nifty comparatively is weaker than the Nifty. On the chart of Nifty we can see the sideways consolidation. However, in terms of Bank Nifty, we can see lower lows every day. So in today's trading session also, the Bank Nifty has broken yesterday's low and has also closed in the negative. Mostly all the banking stocks were weak in trade today, barring a few like Axis Bank or some. Most of the banks were weak in trade today, and that was reflected on the Bank Nifty chart as well. We expect lower levels in Bank Nifty. We expect levels of 15,168 and 14,820 on the downside. On the upside, 15,426 and 15,514 are crucial resistances. So overall, friends, the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain negative. We expect lower levels in Nifty. Crucial supports are placed at 7934 and 7841. On the upside, resistances are placed at 7974 and 8031. That's all for the day. Thank you.